Alright, one of you was asking if I wanted to do a cold start on the lawnmower. Are you serious? As soon as I'm about to mow, it starts freaking raining. Wow, that's just great. Anyways, it's a John Deere. Nothing really interesting. You just clutch and then hear that? Yeah, it's gonna rain. So sometimes you have to give it a little bit of throttle. Oh, I can smell those garage fumes. Well, I was gonna mow the lawn. I might. It's kind of raining, but it's not crazy. So, there you go. That's your video of the cold start of the lawnmower.